At the World Health Organization's annual assembly meet, Indian Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia expressed dismay and concern over the body's recent report on India's COVID mortality count.
Right, this is something India has disputed. Now, according to the WHO report, there were 4.7 million coronavirus-related deaths in India. That's 10 times the official figure and almost a third of COVID deaths globally. Here's what the health minister said.
India would like to express its disappointment over the manner in which the report by WHO on all cause excess mortality was prepared and published, ignoring the concern expressed by India and other countries over the methodology and sources of data, setting aside the country-specific authentic data from the statutory authority of India.